Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript Node.js type ORM. So today we are going to learn, I'm facing one of the issue, we are trying to solve that issue. So how we are going to solve that issue, let's have a look. So currently it says that the data source initialization error, column type undefined, column type for the photo ID is not defined and cannot be guessed. Make sure you have turned on the emit decorators meta true option in its config.json file. So basically what happened, so basically there is id and it says that this cannot be auto incremented because it cannot be guessed. Okay, so what we have to do is it says that make sure you have turned on the emit decorators meta. So what we have to do, go to the tsconfig, not ts, go to the, where is the file, yeah, tsconfig. Okay, so here there is a property emit decorator metadata, make mark it as a true, save this file, and here you can see the error gone. Okay, let me, this part where is the type orm.ts, there is a logging part much more on that, so I'm just going to logging to be false. Okay, and let's have a look. Okay, you can see data source has been initialized, server running on the port. Okay, so there is no issue on that one. So if you are facing that one, just mark the setting and make it true. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.